Okay, so this video is going to be about Norton Internet Security 2012. It's going to have 5 parts. Part 1 will be a video scope where I'll explain who should be watching this video and some other prerequisite stuff. Part 2 will be how to get the trial, because it's not really immediately obvious. Part 3 will be how to install the trial. Part 4 would be a prevention test. I'll try and install some malware, see how Norton deals with it. Part 5 will be the test results and a quick conclusion. So part 1, who should be watching this video? This video is really designed for anyone that wants to try out Norton Internet Security 2012 or find out how good it is at preventing viruses and what have you. Before you start, your PC should really be free of viruses. If it's not, then perhaps you should go out and buy a box copy and use the included bootable diskette to boot your computer into a separate environment and do an offline scan of Windows, clean out the infection before you start. Unfortunately I don't have a disk, so I can't really do that, but if anyone from Norton's watching would like to send me one, then I'd be more than willing to make them a video. Realistically, you should have a reasonably new PC. Anything that came with Windows 7 installed should be fine if it came like that from the factory. If you've got a netbook, then I'd recommend you use the netbook edition, which may be a different video somewhere further down the track. But anyone else that wants to try out, see if it's too slow on their computer, can do so by following the instructions in this video. You'll get yourself a 30-day free trial, and well, you can try it out. If you don't like it, just get rid of it. Just make sure you uninstall your other antivirus software first. I'll make a video demonstrating that at some point as well. And quick shout out to Mr. Izzo's. If you Google search for Mr. Izzo's, you'll find a whole load of other videos about fighting malware and testing various different pieces of antivirus software. So if you search Google for Mr. Izzo's, you'll find a whole load of videos from Mr. Izzo's about malware and what have you. Okay, so how do you get the trial? If you go to google.com, search for Norton Internet Security. If I could type. If you search for Norton Internet Security trial, the first link should be Norton Internet Security 2012 at download.cnet.com. Click on this download link here. And then save the file to your desktop. I'm not going to bother doing that because I've already downloaded it. So once you've downloaded it, find where you saved it, double click on the installer, accept the user access control message that pops up, click agree and install. The install is very quick, takes less than 5 minutes on a typical computer. I'm running this on a very powerful quad-core machine, so it takes like 60 seconds or so. Okay, once it's installed, click on Explore, and here you have what you can basically see here. It's going to ask me to register for an account, so we'll do that quickly. Oops. Type in your email address. Click next. At this point you can either fill in your details if you've not already got an account, or if like me you've got an account, you put your password in. So if you don't have an account already, you just fill out your details, a very quick simple form. Once you've done that, you see you have 30-day trial remaining. Hopefully it says that system status is secure. First thing to do will be to run live update. check for updates. So we'll do that. And this update is going to take a little while to download, so I'm just going to pause the video while that's doing. Okay, the update is downloaded and it's just installing now. Should be done in just a moment. Okay, process is completed successfully. Excellent. Okay, so this is basically the main dashboard. There's not really too much to worry about here. Just make sure you've got your updates installed, which happens automatically after initial install. You can minimise it down to the bottom of the screen, or you can just close it. It lives down here in the taskbar. There's a little icon, and normally you'll have a little tick saying that it's working properly. Obviously, if you decide that you want to keep Norton, then you need to make sure that at the end of your 30-day trial you go ahead and pay for it. Because if you don't, then you won't be protected anymore, and well, basically you may as well just uninstall it and have no antivirus protection at all. So installation out of the way, we'll go straight on into a prevention test. I'm going to use a website called the Malware Domain List. I'm basically using a virtual computer here, so if it does get infected with a virus, I just roll it back to a previous date and time. It doesn't really matter. I really wouldn't recommend you do this on your own computer, because if something were to get past Norton, then you would have a horrible cleanup test to do. So this is basically a list of 0-day flaws and what have you. The newest one at the moment is 5 days old. I'm going to go through the links and try a few different exploits and what have you. The first one I'm going to try is called Black Hole Exploit Kit. Norton has blocked that one. Second one we'll try from a different domain or from a different server. Which I can't actually tell. Norton's blocked that one as well. Third one is a Facebook exploit of some description. It's a frame loads backdoor from RapidShare apparently, but it doesn't seem to be working. So we'll try a different one. Try something else. Okay, we'll try this ransomware here. This is the third one. That one appears to be a dead link. We'll try frame leads to black hole exploit kit. We'll try that. Doesn't seem to be alive. Okay, this one sounds interesting if it works. It's some kind of bank detail stealing Trojan by the looks of things. Fortunately it's a dead link. Okay, we'll try this third one here. Zeus V2 Trojan. Also is unfortunately a bad link. Okay, we have another Trojan here. It's Tinu or Mebroot, however you meant to say that. Norton's blocked that, that's perfect. Okay, on to the fourth. We'll try this fake antivirus one, these are always quite fun. Fortunately it's a dead link, I believe. Nope, Norton's blocked that. On to the fifth. Apparently an obfuscated iframe leads to an exploit. We'll just close this so that we can see that it's popped up. That's one of these things, so try a different one. Okay, Trojan Boozoos. Norton's blocked that straight away. Onto the 6th one, so Rootkit 0 access. That reminds me, we are actually running a 32-bit version of Windows 7 here, so potentially we could get a rootkit. That last one didn't work, so we're on to, what is it, the 5th one now. It's a Sinuwall / Mebroot Trojan, although it doesn't seem to be loading to page 1. Okay, fake antivirus software, hopefully. Norton blocked that straight away. Onto the 6th one. What shall we try? Another fake antivirus one here. These are normally quite fun. Just close Norton. Yep, Norton's blocked that straight away. Sixth one. Yep, Norton's blocked that straight away. Try this one. I'm actually going to stop counting now. I'm just going to try a bunch until I've got up to 15 minutes. Yeah, that's been blocked straight away. We'll go to page 3, we'll go to page 4. Some of these are getting a little old now. Some of these are from yesterday. They would perfectly expect these to be let's try this Trojan downloader, which has been blocked immediately. Not found. Try this Asus V2 Trojan, different link, not found. Here's a different one. Eleonore Exploit Kit. It seems to be attempting to probe my already fully patched computer for exploits, which is never going to work. Try this one here. Not found. Ransomware, these are normally quite interesting if the link will work. Nope. Again ransomware. Fortunately broken link. Try this one here. Oh, this looks interesting. I think I might be doing interesting stuff. We'll click here to see the video. Hoping that this tries to install something, but it doesn't seem to. Perhaps it's fake. Can't really read it. Ah, it wants me to pay for it. Bullshit. Not to worry, I'll be editing that section out. Okay, it's a Trojan. We'll see if this link works. Yep, Norton's blocked that. Broken link. And another broken link. Okay, in a minute I'm just going to try just a few more. Go to page 6. Try this fake AV here. See what it comes back with. Whoop, dear, cat's falling off of me. Ouch. Oof. Deary me, Polly, what are you doing? Actually, we'll check for rootkits first, so we'll use GMER. That's all looking absolutely fine. Or is it? Nope, looks perfectly fine. We'll do a TDS escalar run. Grab the exe file. Run that. Cat's got fed up of me. This is a very quick scan, very useful tool as well. Nothing found. So we'll update and launch Malware. Normally a quick scan is plenty. See if this finds anything. Okay, so that's interesting. Malware has located the fake antivirus software which I downloaded. Before I remove it, I'm just going to try and force Norton to scan that file. Scan with... Let's copy it onto my desktop. Norton, custom scan. File scan run. Desktop. Norton doesn't detect that one, so there you go. Interesting. But it would never have got installed if I hadn't actually disabled Norton in the first place, so I guess this is a poor test really. But a good indicator of why you should probably go for the Malware Pro, because seriously with Norton plus Malware Pro I don't think anything would get past. So we'll remove the selected file with thingy anyway, and we'll just do that from the desktop as well. Okay, so overall Norton aced all of the bits of malware that I tried it with. Unfortunately it didn't detect that actual file that I downloaded from the website, whereas Malware did. But I would always suggest that you run Norton and Malware Pro together, since Malware is so cheap and extremely effective, and it will just mop up anything that Norton misses. I guess overall conclusion is, should you buy Norton? Absolutely, providing your computer's fast enough to run it. It definitely gets my thumbs up. It's what I recommend to all of my customers, and I've done lots of installs and none of my customers' computers have so far got a virus. down to the extent that anyone that has Norton and Malware Pro installed, I actually guarantee that they won't get a virus and promise to remove any virus that they manage to get free of charge. So hopefully that speaks enough for itself. I'm not getting paid by Norton to do this. It's a completely unrelated review, shall we say. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please rate and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, just hit the comment button, leave a comment. Many thanks.